Right, YouTube. So right now I'm just getting ready to get started on my first car. So we have an Acura MDX over there. Now the reason why I park like this is because we have another vehicle that's coming. So they might even park it right here, or hopefully they'll park it right here. But either way, our hoses and stuff, they reach, and we're only doing the exterior. So it should be pretty straightforward, pretty quick job here. Just to wash and wax. This is a maintenance detail, by the way. So this is the condition. We did ceramic coat this car before. We actually did it in their garage a couple months ago. So vehicle is protected and it does have ceramic coating. So we need to make sure that we treat it a little differently, right? You can see the water beating up right there. Even the face of the wheels and stuff like that, we ceramic coated. So they should be straightforward to clean. Gotta clean that off there. Just a bunch of pollen and stuff on the vehicle. But let's go ahead and get started. I already have my buckets out here. I just brought out my pressure washer hose. Now I just need to turn on my generator. And then we can go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and turn this sucker on. All right, so we've gone ahead and washed the Acura and the Lexus here beside us. So now we washed them both. We cleaned up the wheels and stuff. Now we're just gonna go ahead and apply our tire shine. I bought this tire shine locally at Robo's in Richmond, Virginia here. I'm pretty sure they might have a website, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can link it for you guys. Just keep in mind, you might have to order a big quantity in order for them to ship it out to you. This is our tire shine of choice. It's called Super Blue. Apply that on the wheels. Okay, and now we have a towel here, which we're just gonna use to dry up the rims a little bit and also remove any of the tire shine that could have gotten on them as we, applied it. All right, now we're gonna move on to this side here. Since the Lexus is right next to us, we'll just go ahead and flip the camera. All Alright, so what we have here is bead maker. We're gonna spray it on our brand new microfiber towel and simply just wipe the exterior paint. Now this isn't really to add protection, it's simply to just clean up any like residue, or just to give it an extra little detail like before we leave, because we're just about done with this car. So I like to wipe them down just to remove any pollen that may have hit it, any like small little water spots or stuff like that. We'll be able to remove with our spray wax. And I'll even touch up the windows a little bit. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You guys will also see the extra shine that the bead maker does apply to it. Just a little extra boost, you know. Shine and a little boost of protection. Why not, you know? Make it look clean. Get ready for some quick pictures for Instagram.